power expected in portions of southeast Illinois, southwest Indiana, western Kentucky, and far southeast Missouri. The effective impact of these high wind gusts cannot be understated, especially as they occur over saturated grounds where trees will be more easily uprooted. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. The current time is 2:14 p.m. Central Standard Time. Looking at the latest